All right, gentlemen, are you ready?
Main event time.
I am pumped for this fight. Both these guys do the eye test, they pass it. They both got the skills. You know, they've both been training. This is the culmination of everything they've been doing, trying to fight for this lightweight MMA championship for Jackhammer Promotions. Now, who's going to put it together inside the cage? That is the question we're about to solve right here.
The fourth title of the night to be decided momentarily.
And then 23rd fight of the evening.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a night of fights, that's for sure.
And it flew by.
5 hours, flown by.
5 hours, all right.
Oh, my. That was 5
hours.
5 hours.
Wow.
First battle was at 3:30. It is now 8:38 Eastern Time.
Yep.
You know what they say, time flies when you watch two guys beat the heck out of each other.
Oh, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event. This is a lightweight championship bout under MMA. This bout is scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds. Out of the red corner from West Hartford, Connecticut, fighting out of heavy hitters MMA, Alex Graffagnino. And his opponent out of the blue corner from Georgia, Tbilisi, fighting out of Longos MMA, the reigning champ, Georgie Lomtadze.
Georgie in the blue, Alex in the red. Here we go. Main event. Alex looking for home runs early. Oh, nice right by Georgie. Right down the middle. And Alex is just throwing haymakers.
He's throwing bombs.
He's picking up Georgie, though.
Georgie's doing a great job with defense.
Great balance there by Georgie staying his feet.
I mean, the intensity and the velocity of this fight within the first, 20 seconds has just been incredible.
Yeah.
And that's what this title means to both men. Being lightweight champion, representing Jackhammer Promotions.
Nice knee off the break there by Graffagnino.
After this fight, don't go away too quick, as we're going to go through and pick our fight of the night and knockout of the night.
Both guys here patient.
Alex is slowing down drastically.
Yeah, they're picking their spots. I don't think it's fatigue just yet.
No, I don't think it's fatigue either, but
You see Alex with a couple leg kicks, now front kicks. Nice body shot.
I think he realized those giant wild haymakers aren't going to work, especially after he ate that straight down the middle.
Crowd here getting restless.
Georgie's a talented fighter, as you can see. Weathered the storm a little bit, and now he's starting to pick Alex apart.
Alex, though, great job catching the leg.
Oh.
But Georgie thought fast.
And Georgie's trying to sink in a submission.
Yep.
Jumped right into that.
Another darce, but
yeah, it wasn't going to work.
Jumped off it quickly, now moving to the back.
Kyle, I'm not one for medical or anything along those lines. So tell me about the spots right now on Georgie's back. I believe there's some type of therapy.
That's cupping.
Yeah, just like Joe said, it's cupping. So they put they light like a lighter or something to suck the oxygen out, and it's supposed to suck the toxins out of your skin and your body through that and whatnot. So that's why it leaves such red marks on. It's left on for a good amount of time, and then they pull it off.
Yeah, I've gotten it done. It certainly helps.
I've never had it done. It feels good?
Yes. Yes, it does. And the marks are more from the tension that the cup creates.
Yeah.
So if you see him on, you see the raising of the skin under the cup.
Yeah, it's almost like inflamed a little bit, like kind of lifted.
And that was a strong round one out of the blue corner.
That's big, though. You see a lot of cupping lately on a lot of fighters and stuff.
Yeah.
Everyone's looking for the next advantage to get them better and healthy and relaxed for the fight, so.
Yep.
Anytime you watch Tom Brady, one of the best quarterback, or probably the best quarterback of all time, the amount of therapy he did for his body after every game.
Oh, yeah.
The massages every day after practice, like just stuff to keep his body being able to move and compete.
Yep.
I mean, he doesn't do that. He's not playing to, what did he play to, 45?
He did.
Which is incredible.
Insane. Yeah, I mean, the best in the world when it comes to any sport. You look at LeBron James as well, still playing in his 40s. He spends over $1 million a year on his body to maintain it. So,
but you know what? I think they get all that back. It's well invested, you know?
Oh, yes. Big time.
$1 million is making them millions, hundreds of millions.
So far.
Round number 2.
Lomtadze.
Oh, Georgie with a nice right uppercut. And Alex came in.
Oh, man. He has him hurt, though. Smelling blood in the water is Graffagnino.
I would love to see Alex a little bit more control throwing those.
Yeah, it's a bit wild, and I don't know why he went for the takedown there, as now it is Lomtadze who has his back. Before he was landing those big strikes.
That was like a weird takedown. He just kind of like crumbled on him.
Yeah. Because originally it was Graffagnino who was on the attack for the takedown, and then, yeah, kind of gave up on it and gave up his back. But if I'm Lomtadze, I'm letting him back to his feet, honestly. He's done a great job of picking him apart.
Yeah, that first round, at the end, he was just annihilating him.
It's not really going to do any damage here. I mean, it is good control.
I'd love to see, yeah, there you go. That's what I want to see. You have the position. Utilize it.
Yeah, he's picking his spots, though.
Yeah, you see he's trying to pin the arm with his knee. Just can't quite grasp it.
It's all about the fight for wrist control right now.
Absolutely.
For Alex, if he gets it, he's able to build up quicker. For Georgie, if he gets it, he's able to break down Alex quicker. As you can see, he has...
Smart move by Georgie, grabbing his using his left hand to grab the right arm of Alex, and then he started throwing some strikes. And Alex is doing a good job grabbing the wrist.
Yeah, we're not seeing Lomtadze. Seems like he was content to strike here. He had an opportunity to take his back, but now knees to the back of the thigh.
I'm waiting for him to come up to the ribs with that knee.
And that
would be devastating.
That's the veteran instinct of Georgie. He noticed where he was. He noticed that his arms were caught, but he realized he had an opening. He changed his position, went for the knees.
You called it, Kyle. Now going to the ribs, so those knees.
Oh, vicious.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he's a smart fighter, that's for sure. He knows what he's doing.
Brutal shots. I don't think Graffagnino can withstand much more of those.
Yeah, those are going to pay dividends later on in this fight when they get to the third round.
Yeah.
So I don't see him finish him at the moment, but if he lands some more shots like that, that could put him in a bad spot.
And we're seeing some blood out of the nose of Graffagnino here. So not only is his body compromised from these knees, but he is leaking out of his nose.
And there you have it, round 2 in the books. We're going to round number 3. Another solid round for Georgie. Right now I have Georgie winning this 2-0 in the fight card.
I do as well. And also, Georgie cut up a little bit as well on his face.
I think that's one from that wild
exchange, yeah.
Yeah, the barrage of punches that Alex came in with.
So both guys bloodied. 1 round to go.
And I'd like to third that, by the way. I have Georgie up as well.
1 round to go here in this championship lightweight bout. There's going to be a finish that is needed for the red corner and Alex Graffagnino. So Lomtadze,
Great
he
fight.
has to survive this round. It has been a great fight thus far.
Final round of the night. After 23 bouts, it all comes down to this.
Look at Georgie switching stance. Goes from a orthodox, then switches up to a southpaw. That's a good amount of blood. You can see where the blood is. It was either that or it's some real bad bruising on the leg of Alex, the
Yeah.
right leg.
And I'm honestly shocked by the lack of output by Graffagnino. He knows he needs the finish here, but Lomtadze's been a much more active fighter here in round 3.
I wonder if those knees to the ribs really slowed him down.
Yeah, he could be tired here.
Look at the left eye of Lomtadze.
Yeah,
Busted open.
Yep.
Nice 1-2. And I'm Graffagnino at this point. Gotta throw caution to win and just swing for the fences if you don't have a chance to win this fight. We saw hurt Lomtadze, opened him up in the second round
I thought that head kick was gonna land.
with those swinging punches.
And if you're Alex, you're in the deep waters of this thing, most likely down 2 rounds, you got to go for that Hail Mary. You got to go for a haymaker, whether that be a head kick or a massive right. Something's got to pay off.
He was winging shots early in this fight and early in the second round, but I don't think he's thrown anything other than a leg kick in this third and final round, and he needs a lot more than that. Lomtadze stalking his prey, though, backing him up. You can smell a finish here. And you're hearing from the red corner.
Yeah, they want him to open
Now,
up.
so let's go. And that's exactly what they wanted. This is exactly what kind of fight that Alex needs.
Georgie landed a nice right, and then Alex just went off after he caught his hand.
Yeah, I don't know if Rafael's clinching up here. He needs to finish.
Yeah, this ain't a good spot for
Clinching
him.
against the fence is not going to do it.
This is a better position for Georgie, that's for sure, as he turns his opponent. 10 seconds left in this fight, this main event. Who's going to win this title? There you have it. The only way I can see that going is our man, Georgie.
Yeah, I think Lomtadze did enough out of the blue corner to get the job done. It was a well-fought fight. He battled adversity. And he got the job done. See, she's waving everybody. I've never met that woman.
Yeah. She drinking? She might be drinking a little. Good for her.
Enjoying herself.
There you go. Oh, Georgie. As we're waiting for the official decision of this main event. Joe, always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, Kyle.
Another great night of fights.
Yeah, time flies, man. Time flies.
That does.
Give it up for these Warriors. This was the main event. The results are in, and your winner and lightweight champion by unanimous decision is in the blue corner, Georgie Lomtadze, the reigning champ. Georgie Lomtadze.
Georgie is the champion.
Yep, the belt remains for the Georgian.
Georgie the Georgian, I like it.
Georgie the Georgian, yes, sir.
And there you have it, as we're going to hear Charlie real quick talk to the champion. And then we're going to wrap this thing up, ladies and gentlemen, and let you go on your way. And hopefully you're eating some delicious turkey and stuff in this Thursday for Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah. Very excited for that, let me tell you.
I am too.
Was very excited for this fight
All right.
card, but now it is time.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Time.
and still the lightweight champion, Georgie Lomtadze. Georgie, it was a really close back and forth. It was an intense matchup. How does it feel to remain on top?
It feels nice. He's hard, punching really hard. I was not expecting he's gonna punch me that hard, but it is what it is. But first of all, I want to thank Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I want to thank my wife and for supporting me and my team. Lomtadze MMA is the greatest gym in the whole world with the coaches and the people in the gym. It's like my second family and house, and they took me 3 years ago and they followed me to today, and they will follow me all the way out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and still the champion, the lightweight champion, Georgie Lomtadze. Thank you so much.